poor digestion can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience, impacting your overall well-being and daily life. If you've been struggling with symptoms like bloating, gas, constipation, or irregular bowel movements, it's essential to address the root causes and make positive changes to support your digestive health. This guide will provide you with detailed, practical advice to improve digestion and promote a healthier, happier you. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's explore the journey to better digestion together. To effectively improve digestion, it is crucial to understand the complex process that takes place within the digestive system. Digestion begins in the mouth, where enzymes in saliva start breaking down food. The process continues as food moves through the esophagus to the stomach, where it is mixed with gastric juices and further broken down. In the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream, while the remaining waste is passed into the large intestine. Finally, the waste is expelled from the body. Efficient digestion is essential for nutrient absorption, energy production, and overall health. Now let's talk about dietary adjustments for better digestion. Dietary fiber plays a critical role in maintaining healthy digestion. There are two primary types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, found in foods such as oats, apples, and carrots, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also aids in lowering cholesterol levels. Insoluble fiber, present in whole grains, nuts, and vegetables, adds bulk to stool and facilitates its passage through the intestines, thus preventing constipation. To increase fiber intake, incorporate a diverse range of fiber-rich foods into your diet. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal, snack on fruits like apples or pears, and include legumes in your salads and soups. Gradually increase fiber intake to allow your digestive system to adjust and avoid potential discomfort. What's more, prioritize hydration. Adequate hydration is vital for effective digestion. Water helps dissolve nutrients and facilitates their absorption, while also aiding in the movement of food through the digestive tract. Proper hydration can prevent constipation and support the function of digestive enzymes. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, and chamomile can also support digestion and alleviate symptoms such as bloating and gas. Carry a reusable water bottle to ensure you meet your daily hydration goals. Don't forget to incorporate probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy balance of gut microbiota. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These foods can enhance gut health, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Sources of prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and chicory root. Consuming prebiotic-rich foods helps maintain a balanced gut flora and supports overall digestive health. Incorporate both probiotics and prebiotics into your diet to support a healthy gut microbiome. For example, enjoy a serving of yogurt with a banana for breakfast, add garlic and onions to your cooking, and include a variety of prebiotic foods in your meals. Next up, let's talk about limiting fatty foods. While healthy fats from sources such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil are beneficial for digestion, excessive consumption of unhealthy fats can lead to digestive discomfort and exacerbate issues like acid reflux. Unhealthy fats are often found in fried foods, processed snacks, and fatty cuts of meat. Opt for moderate amounts of healthy fats and pair them with fiber-rich foods to support digestion. Choose lean protein sources and prepare them using healthier cooking methods, such as grilling, baking, or steaming. Additionally, choosing lean proteins is very important too. Lean proteins, including chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa, are easier to digest compared to fattier cuts of meat. These proteins provide essential amino acids without placing excessive strain on the digestive system. Incorporate lean proteins into your meals and combine them with vegetables and whole grains. For instance, enjoy grilled chicken with a side of steamed vegetables and quinoa, or add tofu to a hearty vegetable stir-fry. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Avoid processed foods. They often contain additives, preservatives, and high levels of salt and sugar, which can irritate the digestive tract and disrupt gut health. These foods can contribute to digestive issues and may lead to nutrient deficiencies. Focus on consuming fresh, whole foods that are minimally processed. Replace processed snacks with fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grain options. Prepare meals at home using natural ingredients to ensure better control over your diet. Now let's talk about lifestyle changes for enhanced digestion. Eating at regular times each day helps regulate the digestive system and can prevent issues such as indigestion and bloating. Consistent meal times support the body's natural rhythms and promote efficient digestion. Aim to eat 3 balanced meals per day with healthy snacks in between if needed. Avoid skipping meals, as this can disrupt digestion and lead to overeating later in the day. What's more, properly chewing food breaks it down into smaller pieces, making it easier for the digestive system to process. Thorough chewing also stimulates the release of digestive enzymes, which aids in nutrient absorption. Avoid distractions during meals to improve digestion and prevent overeating. But wait, there is more. Regular physical activity stimulates the digestive system and promotes healthy bowel movements. Exercise can also help manage stress, which is beneficial for digestion. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities such as walking, swimming, and yoga are excellent choices for supporting digestive health. Incorporate core strengthening exercises to support the muscles involved in digestion. Moreover, high stress levels can negatively impact digestion, leading to symptoms such as abdominal pain and irregular bowel movements. Stress can affect the digestive system by altering gut motility and increasing inflammation. Implement stress-reducing practices into your daily routine. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, and yoga. Ensure you get adequate sleep to support overall health and well-being. Next chapter: behavioral adjustments for digestive comfort. Did you know overeating can put a strain on the digestive system and lead to discomfort? Large meals can overwhelm the digestive tract and cause symptoms such as bloating and indigestion. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and measuring serving sizes. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. Eating slowly and mindfully can help you recognize when you are full. Eating slowly allows your digestive system to process food more efficiently and can help prevent indigestion. What's important? Eating large meals close to bedtime can interfere with digestion and lead to issues such as acid reflux. Late-night eating can also disrupt sleep and affect overall health. Try to finish your last meal of the day 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. If you need a snack before bedtime, opt for a light, easily digestible option such as a piece of fruit or a small serving of yogurt. Finally, both caffeine and alcohol can irritate the digestive system and contribute to digestive problems. Excessive consumption of these substances can exacerbate symptoms like acid reflux and bloating. Consume caffeine and alcohol in moderation. Consider alternatives such as herbal teas or water. Be mindful of how these substances affect your digestive health and adjust your intake accordingly. Lastly, personalized approaches to digestive health. Maintaining a food diary helps you track what you eat and identify potential food triggers that may be contributing to digestive issues. Recording symptoms alongside your food intake can provide valuable insights into your digestive health. Write down everything you eat and drink, along with any symptoms you experience. Review your diary regularly to identify patterns and make necessary dietary adjustments. Remaining upright after eating can help prevent acid reflux and support digestion. Gravity assists in the movement of food through the digestive tract and reduces the likelihood of stomach acid flowing back into the esophagus. Consider taking a gentle walk after meals or staying seated in an upright position for at least an hour. Avoid lying down or reclining immediately after eating. What's more, digestive enzyme supplements may help if you experience difficulty digesting certain foods. These supplements can assist in breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, making digestion easier. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. They can help determine whether digestive enzymes are appropriate for your specific needs and guide you in choosing the right product. Remember, regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential for monitoring your digestive health and addressing any ongoing concerns. Your provider can offer personalized advice and recommend appropriate tests or treatments if needed. Adopt a proactive approach to maintaining gut health by following a balanced diet, managing stress, and engaging in regular physical activity. Prioritizing digestive health contributes to overall well-being and enhances quality of life. And there you have it, folks. By making a few simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can significantly improve your digestion and feel your best every day. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making small, sustainable changes. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.